Right then, final session for the day now.
What's that?
And it's a new one.
Taking a picture of that.
It's a new
restaurant back there called the Carrot House.
It's a new one for me. Northfield. So this will be the final session of the day, as storage and battery is starting to play a part now. So let's get started here at Northfield with the departure of 7:30. I believe it's 020. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is 7:30 020 departing with the 11:41 West Midlands Railway service to Bromsgrove. Oh, Voyager. Yeah, 7:30 020 departing now. And the Voyager that I mentioned at Kings Norton has gone past as well. 7:30 028 is on the back. Yeah, that's 020 and 028. Heading off down to Bromsgrove. Right, we've got another 7:30 set coming in now. So that's 2 Papa 27 from Bromsgrove to Lichfield Trent Valley, 7:30 033. Pretty sure we have already seen this set today. Yeah, and 032. I can't remember where we saw that, but yeah, at New Street, I think. And also passing will be 1 Sierra 43 from Penzance to Newcastle for cross country. Again, another Voyager without numbering. Speak of the devil. Right then, so with what I was saying on the way out, well, when the train was on its way into Northfield, memory and storage are starting to play quite a big part in this now, so I'm not going to head to Longbridge. I'm going to call it a day when we're finished at Northfield, and then that's a good day's content, you know. The Pullman at New Street, and 5 Ways University, Selly Oak, Bourneville, Kings Norton, Northfield. Still good content, that. So let's see what else we get here at Northfield, and then that'll be us done for the day. Right then, so that was me saying let's see what we get. We've only got 2 more things. Whether we actually get the second one, I don't know, because at 11:54 we got 2 U28 from Redditch to Four Oaks, my train out of here, and also 1 Victor 51 Manchester Piccadilly to Bristol Temple Meads. Again, another Voyager without any numbering, so if we get the Voyager, bonus. If not, the last thing we see will just be our unit out of here. So my camera's got 4% battery on it, so I don't know if we're actually going to get these units. Now we've got 2 minutes till the Voyager's due to pass, and then 9 minutes with the delay to my train, so to be honest, I think I might just have to film the Voyager and call it a day. I mean, it's a good day for filming, getting the Pullman HST charter at New Street, and then full sessions without major issues at 5 Ways University, Selly Oak, Bourneville, Kings Norton, and here. So I think I'm gonna get the Voyager, and then I'm gonna have to call it a day. Yeah, me and my 3% of battery. Actually, I'll use my main phone, because this is my recording phone, so I'll film the Voyager on here if I can, let the charge run out, and then film our unit in on the recording phone. So let's get this Voyager and then get our train out of here. Alright, swap to the other phone. Here's the Voyager from Manchester to Bristol. And then finally finishing us up here at Northfield will be the delayed 11:55 West Midlands Railway service from Redditch to Four Oaks. Let's finish up here at Northfield with the arrival of the delayed 11:55 West Midlands Railway service from Redditch to Four Oaks. One final 7:30 for the day. That will take me back to New Street. $7:30.010. Right, that's a good session and day on the Cross City line done.